Top 5 Best Online Furniture Stores. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Amazon. With Amazon, you can browse countless brands of furniture. In addition, you can get a couch delivered in 2 days if you qualify for Prime shipping. My couch from Zenus was easy to set up and looks great a year later, says Emma Seymour, Textiles Lab Analyst at the Good Housekeeping Institute. IKEA. IKEA is always reliable when it comes to providing a low-cost delivery service. Currently, they're offering their services for $9.99. The website is easy to navigate, and I particularly like the inspiration section, which has inspirational designs that you can use in your own homes. Walmart. When it comes to furniture items, Walmart is one of the best places to shop. New images and design tips appear on its All Things homepage, written by its in-house experts to help inspire your shopping. Dormify. Most college students cannot develop a design for their rooms because of funds or time constraints. For this purpose, Dormify offers dorm visualizers, inspiring dorm room ideas and curated bedding collections to help students design dorm rooms that reflect their personalities. World Market. Are you always in search of unique items to add to your collection? There are several items made by artisans around the world that are available at the World Market. Currently, they're having a sale with a discount of 20% off the entire site. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.